Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Instagram link to TikTok bio. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, access your particular TikTok app on your mobile phone. Now here in the home section, this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? Now go ahead, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right, tap on this option of edit profile on top, and simply scroll down and go to this social section and you will find the Instagram option. Go ahead, tap on it. For now we have already linked, so we can tap on this unlink to show the process, and now we do not have any. Tap on add Instagram and wait till it loads, and now all you have to do is tap on this option of allow all cookies, and you have to simply enter the phone or username of your particular Instagram account, enter the password of yours, tap on login, and you will be able to simply link that Instagram account of yours to your TikTok, and you can simply access it however you want. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.